Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I'm super excited today to be introducing a new brand to you that's kind of like an old brand, but is very different. And this is my first pair of Paul Sargent shoes. Now, the shoes that I have up on top here are Alfred Sargent Moores. Okay, and you can see I've had them for a little while. They've got a little bit of wear. They're really nice shoes. They're Adelaides. They're a little dusty, but you know, just beautiful sole work. If you look at the heels, very, very good, very straight, beautifully executed shoe. Now, today, what we're going to do is we're going to look and see what Paul Sargent has done with his reinvention of this shoe. So here we are. This, and I had these done in this beautiful chestnut color, which is different. Now, you know, the brand is new, so you don't have branding on the boxes. The outer box that it came in was, you know, a little cobbled together because it's new. Let's take a look and let's see how these shoes look and how they compare, because I am a very big fan of my Alfred Sargent Moores, and I just want to see what they've done. So first, looking at it side by side, and here, let me just wipe that off so you're not staring at the dust. The edges on the last are executed the same. There's, you know, so it's obviously it's the same last. The lines are the same. You know, now the leather is very well executed. The heels, I say, are the same. I think they did a great job with that. The lining is soft. The inside and the insole looks about the same. The tongues also fully formed around the tongues. I like that. All in all, it looks like a very comparable shoe. They have the same work is done on the waist to bevel it. And they also have a little bevel on the sole, like they used to on the old Alfred Sargents. Okay, so I feel like they've done a really nice job here in executing what they did before. Now this has just a really clean finish on it. And you know, they didn't do any fudging with the sole. The stitch density on this, you know, pretty impressive, as it was before. Just they do a real nice job, and pay attention to all the details. So I feel like this is a wonderful return to the Moore, and I can't wait to see, you know, on my next one, I also got a Brunswick, which is part of their hand grade line, and want to see that and how that compares. So just beautiful work as expected, and the finishing is just right as expected. So again, just a very quick comparison. I'm not going to measure anything. I'm not going to look at things that way, but you know, the work that they've done in here is just right. And Paul Sargent shoes, I'm super excited that they're in production and I can get them on the hoof. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I am gonna just do that as my cover photo, and just loving these. Thanks again for watching.